There, this is Pete Haas, PeteHaas.com. I'm going to run through an example of how you can build a bot using the Microsoft framework. First off, you're going to need to go to this site, docs.botframework.com. This is where you can get the information on the SDK, etc. The first step you're going to do is you're going to need to get access to the SDK. So refer to this page, but ultimately what you want to do is download a template. There's a template here that will allow you to open a project in Visual Studio and run it from that section. So I'll just show you what it looks like. If you go open project, open new project, you'll see there's a bot application template. If you open that, it's going to look like what I downloaded right here. The key here is it's just a web API interface. So if you go to this messages controller, here's really where the bot is running. This is just an EchoBot. So what's going to happen is if you ask it a question or type anything to it, it's just going to respond back with the text that you said and then how many characters long it is, and that's right here on this line. It's a pretty trivial example, but it gives you at least a starting point. So let's just run that real quick. Oh, the one other thing is that you're going to need to have a bot emulator. The emulator is also something that you can download from the website. So if you go here, download the emulator. I'll run it real quick here, just so you see what it looks like. So this is the emulator. So you can type messages at the bottom here. It will show you on the left side what you typed, and on the right it will show you the actual JSON that's getting passed back and forth. So we'll run the app, and then we'll pull up the emulator. Okay, and once the emulator is running and you have the app actually loaded, see it's still loading here, you'll just get this default page. Okay, but what you really want to do is hit like localhost and your port and hit this messages API, and that's where the interface really lies. So we could type something like howdy, and you should see here's the input, here's the response, and it says howdy, sent 5 characters. I know, pretty trivial example, but it's just a good starting point. So that's it for now. Thanks.